She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own right, living her dream.
You guys know when you see this what time it is. Time for something else in the kitchen. What's up, YouTube? Good morning. It is June 11, Tuesday, June 11. So we're gonna start the day with we're making some, well, Daddy's gonna make some fritters, saltfish fritters. So that has been soaking overnight and still salty.
Taking out the bones.
So now he's just picking out the bones. So guys, while Daddy's cleaning up the saltfish, I'm gonna help him out and cut up the seasoning. See, Daddy's sitting, Daddy not feeling too good. Gosh, poor thing. Probably did too much chef-ins last week. Last week or this week? Last week, yeah. Okay, so no tomato will be in this because I just checked it. The one we had is spoiled and I have 0 left. That's sad because I like tomato in it.
Let me get the tomato for you. In a minute.
That's okay.
I'll do it.
So he's going to get the tomato. Guys, I'm so tired. I have work tomorrow. And I feel like I don't get any rest. This sleep thing is killing me. Okay guys, Daddy came back with the tomato. We're gonna wash this. sunflowers later. I'm gonna do a quick BJ's run. Okay. So I'm just gonna add the saltfish to this. I don't know why he did so much saltfish, but hey. Season. Don't know why I did so much season, but hey. I'm gonna add water to this. Yeah, gonna do a quick BJ's later. I don't know why I did so much saltfish, so I'm not.
That's fine.
It's too much. So anyway.
I can leave this with the
Water.
the cucumber and they always do, like with the cucumber and the tomato. So can leave it for that. Yeah. Oh, we're talking, huh?
Yeah. I guess everybody make it different because I usually add the seasoning after. This is just how I make it. Oh my goodness. I show my clothes. Alright. I think that pot is too hot. I'm smelling it. This is how I like to do it. Okay? So I am going to add onion powder. Garlic powder. And yes, I use the same set of seasoning for everything I cook. And this. Black pepper. And that's ready for the pot. Okay, this oil is hot now. This is too much now. I made too much. Splashing in. Alright, so this is the first set out. And I have another set in. So out on the road, my husband, he has a doctor's appointment. I can see him. I'm watching him in the rear view mirror right now. Just trying to find. We're just parked up on the road because the GPS tells us that we're here. We don't see anywhere. So we're parked up on the road, trying to find a place. Good thing we're early. It's a 1:30 appointment. It's now 10 to 1. I can see him coming back. Oh boy. Trying to find a place. But anyway, I work tomorrow. That's sad. 2 days just went like that. So I can see him coming. He's on his phone, so I know he hasn't found the place. Oh Lord. On the back seat, that's his coconut water, and that's the iPad. I brought it to do some editing. I'm gonna do some work while I wait on him. And he's just out there searching through the phone. Yeah, so after we get done with the doctor here, we're gonna go just a quick run at BJ's. Just taking up a couple stuff. Yeah, the last time I said that we came out with a whole store, but really, maybe just about 5 things. So that's 5 things. 5 things. I just need some dishwashing liquid. I need flour, because I claim I'm gonna bake. I've been telling you guys that. I need some napkins for the table and find it.
No, pass the floor.
Yeah, people, sorry about that. So we found a place. So like I was saying now, what else am I gonna need? Just dishwashing liquid, napkins, flour. What else? I don't remember. It was just 5 things though. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that quick BJ's run. And I think go back home. Oh, I'm relaxed. I don't know what's for dinner yet. My husband wants to cook something, so I'll have something to take for lunch tomorrow. Oh, I could cry. My 2 days over so quickly. Yeah, that's all I really have planned for the day. Nothing out the way. I'm gonna get the flour, but I don't promise you guys I will be in the kitchen to bake. I want to For weeks and weeks I've been putting it off. But I don't know. I'm gonna try. I don't know why he's gone in there so early. His appointment is 1:30 and it's 1 o'clock. But anyway, while I wait, I'm gonna do some work. Oh my God. I'm gonna edit some stuff to put out for you guys to watch. Yeah. No, he's calling me. Yeah, he was basically just calling to tell me he's not coming back out. But there's a long line in there to check in when you already checked in on your phone. It's ridiculous. Girl, I wear shorts today like girl young. When he comes back, I'll show y'all the outfit we're in today. But for now, I have work to do. Guys, we're at BJ's now. Back there. So we are out. I told you, nothing too serious today. Did not lie. We just got some more milk, flour because I need to bake, garbage bags, some napkins, and dishwashing liquid. Guys, let me back up to show you the outfit for today. Okay guys, we're back home and I'm about to bake. Not feeling 100%, but I'm gonna make that effort because I've been talking about it and promising to bake. So I'm gonna do yes, and I'm going back to tying my head. I'm gonna do a banana bread. So let me show you the stuff that I use. Okay, so we're gonna need baking soda, nutmeg. You don't have to use this, but I'm extra, and I put mixed spice, almond, vanilla, cinnamon, baking powder. This one is almost done. That's why I have two there. We're gonna need milk, flour, egg. Do not mind how these bananas look. They are good. They have been in the fridge because I've been talking about baking for days and days and days and days, and yeah. Sugar. Usually I use the muffin tin because it's easier to eat that way. But anyway, so I have the bread tin, and if there's any extra like the batter that's left over, then I'll put it in that. Then the scale, measuring cup, strainer. These are all the utensils that I'm gonna use. This to crack the eggs in, this for the dry ingredients, and this one for the wet. So let's go. All right, we're going to put together the dry ingredients first. So we're going to need flour, we're going to do 2 cups. Flying everywhere. That's one. Usually I double the mixture, but not today. You double it, you have more, but not today. That's 2 cups. And we're going to add the rest of the dry stuff now. I'm gonna use, oh my god, my eyes. 1/4 teaspoon. Oh my god. I need a knife. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, right? Cinnamon, we're going to use 1/2 teaspoon. Mixed spice. We're going to use 1/2 as well. So 1 teaspoon baking soda. teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix that around. Then we're gonna cover this up. I'm not using this right now, so we're just gonna set this aside. Then next I'm gonna cream, sugar, and butter. Okay guys, for the wet ingredients now, half cup of milk, and teaspoon each, right, of vanilla, and a teaspoon of almond. And set this aside also. Okay. So I'm gonna crush the bananas. Oh God, they're super ripe. Jesus. People don't mind the look. Don't mind the look. They're good. Just been in the fridge, so it got dark. It's terrible. I've been waiting so long to do this, so they've been in the fridge. Not looking the best, but so we're just crushing them out. So we'll set the wet ingredients aside, the dry ingredients, and this now is the main ingredient. So when you get all these stuff together, everything else is just 1, 2, 3. So you just have everything prepped and put aside. After this, now we're gonna cream the butter and the sugar. So it's 3 bananas, right? Obviously you saw that. 3 ripe bananas. This should be good. gonna put that aside also. Alright, so I need a cup of sugar. Cup. And quarter pound of butter. Right. So the rest of the butter we're gonna use to grease the tin. So we're gonna cream this, but first I'm gonna grease the tin. Yeah, I like to prep everything, have it set aside, makes it easy. Everything will just flow. 1, 2, 3. I don't have to be running up and down. Oh, where's this? Where's that? Or I didn't do this and I didn't do that. Whatever. Okay. So I'm going to cream butter and sugar now. All right. 1 egg. We're gonna add 1 egg. After the 1 egg, then we're gonna add little by little dry ingredients, little wet ingredients, and then the main ingredients. Little by little we're gonna add everything. I'm gonna need that thing. Alright. Let's add the egg now. almost forgot. Nearly forgot, guys. I need to preheat the oven. $350. Okay. So. So, we're done with the mixer. Manual work. Manual work time. So we're gonna add a little of the dry ingredients now. Cut and fold and cut and fold. A little of the wet. I'm tired. So after we finish adding all the wet ingredients, dry ingredients, and the crushed bananas, I'm going to add some. This is a mixture of, let me see now. This is how I usually store it. This is for Christmas time. I have raisins, I think prunes, mixed peas, and I think I have cherries in it. And I think black currants, I'm not sure. I think so. Anyway, so all that is blended with red label and rum. And that's how I store it. And I'm gonna use some You don't have to, but I'm gonna put some in it. Let me see. Maybe one more spoon. Okay. I don't know if anybody else does it this way, but I like to add browning because, I don't know, just to give it a little bit more color. Just like when you're doing the Christmas cake. Not too much. Comment down below, guys. Anybody that has ever made banana bread, if you use browning in it or raisins and stuff like that. Okay, that's good now. Now we're gonna put it in the loaf tin. And whatever is left, I'll put in the muffin tin. So remember, I already greased the tin. I somehow feel it needs to be darker. Yeah, kind of fold the tin up because it needs space to leave it to rise.
To what?
To rise.
Oh,
I said to rise.
I didn't hear.
They heard. Do that so everything is even in the tin. Looks like it should be a bit darker, but hey. This now, I'm gonna have to use something, maybe
You're the measuring.
yeah, the measuring cup, right? What did I do with it? Because it's gonna be all over the place.
Guys, she's putting it in the measuring cup to pour it in the cupcake tin. The muffin tin. There we go.
Not to the top. You need space for it to rise. I may need another. I'm gonna have to get another muffin tin. So I greased this tin as well. Did not have so much. I don't think I'm gonna need more.
So, guys, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be good. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Alright. We're gonna put them in the oven now because the oven is good and ready. Oy.
Voila! That is it, people. That is it. Job well done.
Okay, let's look what's going on. Let me turn on the light. See, guys, is that to rise already? Okay, guys, it's been running for almost half hour. See, I got 4 minutes or about that left, but I think the ones in the muffin tin should be ready because they usually cook quickly. Let's test it. See, it's come out clean. That means they are ready. See, but I'm almost sure that still has time to go because these cook very quickly, which is why I like to do them in the muffin tin. So let me take them out. So we're gonna leave that some more, but these are ready. Ooh. See, they bake quicker in the tin and it's easy to eat. You just pop one out and yeah, it's nicer this way. Okay, timer is complete. Let's check this one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me show you. Yes, I stole one. So please don't forget, like, share, comment, and for the new viewers, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this daily vlog.